Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Thereafter, Bhrigu, the chief of the great sages, invited Lord Shiva to come to the sacrificial arena. Thus the demigods, accompanied by the sages, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, all went to the place where the great sacrifice was being performed. The whole sacrifice arranged by King Daksha had been disturbed by Lord Shiva. Therefore all the demigods present there, along with Lord Brahma and the great sages, specifically requested Lord Shiva to come and revive the sacrificial fire. There is a common phrase, Shiva Hina Yajna, any sacrifice without the presence of Lord Shiva is baffled. Lord Vishnu is Yajneshvara, the supreme personality in the matter of sacrifice, yet in each yajna it is necessary for all the demigods headed by Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva to be present.